Speaking of the India piece, Asia's richest man, Mukesh Ambani, he is on a shopping spree now. So we talked a lot about him selling things, selling percentages, stakes in his various companies, Reliance, Geo. I think this says here, Geo is now, what did they sell? Like 22% of the company or something? Should I get this right? Selling a combined 33% stake in Geo platforms. So you got Google, Facebook. It's been a sales spree, and now it's a shopping spree. You take that money. Here's what you do. Well, let me explain to you. Explain some business to you. Okay. Opportunity in India right now, because things are still relatively cheap in India. You can turn around, take those billions of dollars, purchase a bunch of millions of dollars. You see how that goes? You break up those billions into little sections that are millions. And then you go around and you see who all your competitors are in all the various marketplaces. I mean, with him now, he's talking pharmaceuticals. He's talking, let me just read a few. I mean, it's so vast and wow. Let me, can I, do you mind? I can read a few. A lingerie company, an online furniture company. Do you see how this works, Will? You take the billions you get in investment from the West, and then you buy local companies that are thriving or at that cusp, at that early stage. Now you attempt to take those companies to the next level through your purchasing, because you can plug them into all your networks for growth. But you just took your billions and you bought for millions.
Yeah.
That's the part I like. 33 billion can buy you a ton of $100 million companies.
Yeah.
Expand your network.
Oh, yeah.
So whenever you're ready, Will, you just let me know. We'll do the same thing.
All right, for sure.
We'll sell for billions and buy for millions. The 63-year-old tycoon is seeking to widen his retail footprint in a market that's become a hotspot for global giants such as Amazon, as well as the local rivals, all chasing a billion-plus consumers. The business mogul last month outlined plans to rope in investors for his Reliance Retail Limited days after selling a combined 33% stake in Geo platforms. They're going to pay $160 million for Zivam, which is a furniture company. Oh no, Zivam is the pharmaceutical company, I think. Oh no, NetMeds is the pharmaceutical company. That's $120 million. What does Zivam do? They're the lingerie company. So $160 for the lingerie company, $120 for the pharmaceutical company, and $30 million for the furniture company. You're gonna have a play everywhere. I mean, this dude really he's gonna be the Bezos. He already maybe is the Bezos. He wants to be the everything guy. And as far as India is concerned, he's really starting to look like the everything guy. Because he's taking billions and buying for millions.
Yeah. Just the fact that it calls it a shopping spree is like he's buying companies, whereas us, we're just buying groceries.
Right. Right. You mean when you go on a shopping spree?
Yeah.
You mean when you watch Supermarket Sweep?
Yeah.
The show from earlier. That's a shopping spree. You go in, you splurge on the premium. What would be a premium splurge for you, where you would step up to the next level? You'd be like, you know what? Today, I'm going to get the more expensive barbecue sauce.
Yes. Or, chocolate would be the one.
Chocolate would be the one. I had some great chocolate the other day. I would also do the same thing in exchange for the right chocolate.